Kaya na daw, yes. Kaya na daw, yes. Oy, kaya na daw, yes.
Sige. Sige, attention line. Okay na yung attention. Place below the inside address. Inside address, kasi naman yung address inside. Sender. Sino yung sender? Pagkabalyak ko si... Is it the sender's address? Ang inside address? No. Recipient's address. And about the salutation. Example of salutation. Ano nga, kung ka na nila...
Ma'am, kasi po na, gusto man.
Example of salutation. Here,
Ni Jonas.
Okay. Subject line. Subject. We use the line to write subject in capital letter. Subject line in the mural, showcasing. Subject line example. In receive about below this salutation and subject line. In American, about these salutation. Sige, ano ang mga nagagawa? British or American? Sige, wala sa kanya isa. Okay. Next, American. Nauna ang subject. Next to or below the about the salutation. Next, identification line. Not impersonal, the initials who dictated the letter. What is identification line important? Important.
Para pa tayo.
Wala na, usang load na. Usang load na siya. Wala kasi kami kabayan ng gad. Mamalis na yun, wala na kami kabayan. Okay, yun ang kabahan. Natingog ka? Di na ito pinag-pindot mo naman. Para hindi siya matandog na. Dito ka lang mga.
Ay, matindog, kagit ma'am.
Kung pinag-pindot mo na lang lang. Ulit na. Ano kung maganda ko yung kayo ay dito.
Sige, identification line. This is only an active personality. When you just show who dictated the letter, and who typed it. Consider sa letter. That is identification line. Identify the sender. Okay, example. Essentially yours. Then, modern show to sisters. This one sheet of this man. Who is the office manager? The writer. And then, ano naman pala siya? Modern show. That is identification line. Closer. What do we mean by enclosure? Enclosure. Enclosure.